In case if you want to install application from unknown sources rather than from Google Play Store, then what you do is go to settings, then you have to scroll down and go to apps. Tap on this option, three dotted icons here, go to special access, select this option, install unknown apps. Now generally what we do is we search for the applications from Google Chrome or from other browsers and then download and install it in our device. So in that case what you do is you have to select Chrome and make sure that you enable this option, allow from this source. Similarly, you can go to other browsers such as Samsung Internet if you are using Samsung device, and here also make sure that you have enabled this option, allow from this source. Similarly, if you download applications from WhatsApp, open WhatsApp and make sure that you select this option, allow from this source, then only you will be able to install application from unknown sources, otherwise your phone will not allow it.